Welcome to Gaming the World tutorial. Go to gamingtheworld.com. Then search your game and scroll down and find Get Coins button. Enter your Google Play or Game Center username, put your desired coins amount and select your device. Press Generate to get 2 coins.